We have my favorite lav mic, the Hollyland Lark M2, and we're going to compare it to this brand new one that I've been using that I am genuinely impressed with. And I want to give you guys a side-by-side comparison when it comes to sound quality. Right now you're hearing from my phone. So I have no lav mic, no nothing. We're going to plug in the Hollyland Lark M2 first, and it has this little adapter right here. And I love how small this is, and it's just magnetic. So I come right here and I can put it right there on my shirt, and I'm going to plug it in. So this is the Hollyland Lark M2. This is what it sounds like. And to be honest, I think it sounds really good. And this has been my go-to. I've been using it for close to 2 years now, and I swear by it. You have USB-C. It comes with 2 of them. Depending on which adapter you need, you can get the combo set. So it comes with Lightning. It also works for a DSLR camera. So there are some more options available, but it does kind of stack up when it comes to like the value of the product. So you guys hear it first. That's what it sounds like. We're going to unplug it. I just took it out. So again, you guys can hear the sound difference between my phone versus the Hollyland Lark M2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stack it up against this one, and look at how tiny this is. Like the size, this is literally tiny. I thought this was small, but this one actually beats it. So you got USB-C. We're going to plug this in. And here we have the MAONO. I think that's how you pronounce it. That is the sound that you're hearing directly from this one. So for me, I'm very impressed. Like, to be honest, it's shocking at how good this is. Again, this has been my go-to. I will throw this in the rotation. This is great to throw in my bag. It's great for new content creators. It's just great to have a lav mic super accessible. This has 33 hours of charge time. It recharges with USB-C. It's way smaller than the Hollyland Lark M2, and the value for it, like it's not really comparable. So overall, both are great products, but it just is kind of up to you on which one you want. For me, I'm gonna have both, and I'm genuinely impressed. This brand sent me this product, and they were like, "Hey, we want you to test it," and I've tested it, and I'm impressed. So that's kind of the stack up between the two. Again, both are great products, but this one's tiny. The value is going to be absolutely insane for that. So there's the breakdown between the two.